In this screen recording, we'll demonstrate how to add an AI chatbot to a ghost blog. You'll see live questions typed into the Asyntai widget and real-time answers generated directly from the blog's content, proving its effectiveness for your website. This AI chatbot empowers your ghost blog to answer visitor questions precisely from your site's content. We'll ask real questions about ghost blogging and see the AI provide helpful, unscripted responses. This small chat bubble represents a powerful AI ready to assist your blog visitors. Let's start with the fundamentals. Naturally, your first thought is likely about integration and whether this chatbot can actually interface with your existing ghost blog. Here's what the AI shared. Setup takes about 5 minutes. You sign up, connect your site, and add a simple code snippet to your Blogger template. Asyntai can then read all your content, providing instant, accurate answers to your visitors. This allows you to recommend posts and handle common questions effortlessly. Once we know it connects, a crucial follow-up is understanding how this AI actually absorbs the content from your site. What's its learning process? See what the chatbot provided. Asyntai intelligently gathers your blog's content by crawling your website. You can further enrich its knowledge by uploading additional documents. Plus, custom instructions tailor its responses precisely to your needs. This ensures your visitors receive accurate, helpful information. That brings us to scalability. Many blogs grow to have extensive archives, so you'll want to know if the chatbot can handle a large volume of content. This is the response it gave. Asyntai expertly handles blogs of any size. Its automatic crawler discovers content across your site, with page limits determined by your plan. You can also manage specific content manually or upload it directly. As we scroll through the blog content, notice how the AI remains accessible for immediate interaction. Beyond general knowledge, users often need specific answers. This question probes the AI's ability to delve into individual articles and provide precise information. Let's review the AI's output. Asyntai accesses your entire blog archive, reading every published post. It then uses this knowledge to answer visitor questions about specific articles. This makes your content incredibly easy for visitors to search and find. With a good understanding of its capabilities, the next logical step is to ask about the practicalities of setting it up. What's the onboarding process? Here's the information it offers. Setup takes about 5 minutes. You sign up, connect your site, and customize your assistant's look and behavior. Then simply integrate the provided code snippet into your website. Your AI assistant is live and ready to help your visitors instantly. Would you like to explore pricing or other features? Every answer you've seen so far is a direct result of the AI's understanding of your website's information. Finally, for any new tool, budget is always a consideration. This question addresses the accessibility of Asyntai and whether there's a way to try it out without immediate financial commitment. This is the answer we received. Great news! Asyntai offers a completely free plan to help you get started. You'll receive 100 messages monthly, support for one website, and up to 50 crawled pages. It's the perfect way to explore Asyntai's capabilities. As you've seen, integrating an AI chatbot with Asyntai is straightforward. You can try it free at asyntai.com to see how it works with your own content. No credit card required.